Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And I wanted to talk to you today about mortgage foreclosures after the CARES Act and with local ordinances and executive orders. So there's a bit of confusion about what you can and can't do if you're a lender of both residential and commercial loans at this time. And so I wanted to give you an explanation of the moratorium so that you're aware of what you can and can't do. So there's an executive order from Governor Ron DeSantis, and that executive order says that there is a moratorium on all mortgage foreclosures, meaning a toll, a stay on being able to file a case for foreclosure or seek a judicial sale, etc. And that was entered on April 2nd, and it is a 45-day moratorium, which means starting May 18th, if there's no new executive orders, you can proceed with your foreclosure actions. So this is a statewide moratorium. It affects both federally backed and non-federally backed mortgages. So keep that in mind. And then federally, the CARES Act enacted Section 4022, and that section's the one dealing with federally backed loans. And federally backed loans are ones that are FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loans. 2/3 of residential loans, because it's residential only, are impacted by this particular legislation. And that one gave a moratorium that dated back to March 18th, which means it goes 60 days, and that ends up being also all the way through to May 18th. So again, around May 18th, May 19th, people can proceed with those foreclosures again. The one difference though with the federally backed ones, it did not create a moratorium if the property is vacant or has been abandoned. So what can you do as a lender? Well, in the meanwhile, we're in the middle of April right now. So in the meanwhile, what you should be doing is reviewing your mortgage documents, making sure you have your mortgages, you have your original notes in place, you are reviewing your ledgers. That means you are reviewing to see that you've collected interest appropriately, that you've assessed late fees where late fees should be assessed, that you have made sure to apply payments, whether they're partial or in full, correctly. You want to make sure that those ledgers are perfectly in place so that when you contact us, you have your list ready to go for us to draft that letter of demand for payment and notifying the borrower that they are delinquent, that you are advancing the note prior to making any foreclosure filings. So that is my recommendation, and good luck out there, investors.